Hello, ambitious minds. Ready to turn those dreams of financial freedom into reality? Well, you're in for a treat because today I've got something that might just be the missing piece of the puzzle for you: the affiliate marketing blueprint. Now, I know we all have that vision of sipping coconut water on a beach while our bank accounts do the heavy lifting. Who wouldn't want to earn passive income fast, right? It's like the golden ticket to a life where you call the shots and money flows in effortlessly. So imagine this blueprint as your treasure map guiding you through the uncharted waters of affiliate marketing. It's not just a guide, it's the ultimate roadmap to help you navigate the twists and turns of the online business world, leading you straight to that pot of gold at the end. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur looking to add a passive income stream or a newbie with big dreams, this blueprint has got your back. We'll delve into the strategies, techniques, and insider tips that can take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. Get ready to unlock the secrets of turning your passion into profit. And remember, the journey to financial success starts right here. So buckle up, aspiring entrepreneurs. We're about to embark on a game-changing adventure together. Alright folks, before we jump into the good stuff, do me a favor, give that subscribe button a little love and make sure you've got that notification bell ringing. Why? Well, because you don't want to miss out on the golden nuggets we've got lined up for you. And hey, stick around till the end because there's a special freebie waiting to turbocharge your journey into the world of affiliate marketing. Ready to level up? Let's dive right in. Understanding affiliate marketing. So, affiliate marketing is basically a buddy system for businesses. You, the affiliate, promote someone else's products, and every time your promotion leads to a sale, you get a cut of the profits. It's like recommending your favorite book and getting a little thank you gift from the bookstore every time someone buys it. Picture this: you're the middle person making connections between buyers and sellers, and you earn a commission for being the matchmaker. Simple, right? Now what's cool is you're not limited to one company's products. You can be the ultimate promoter, dabbling in different products and earning from each one. It's like being a task maker for multiple brands. Remember, it's not just about shouting about products, it's about building trust with your audience. If they trust your recommendation, they're more likely to click that magical affiliate link and make a purchase. So that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. A win-win where you, the affiliate, and the business both come out smiling. Cheers to making connections and earning some extra bucks. Proven blueprint for success. Alright, buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey through a 3-step blueprint for affiliate marketing success. Think of it as your treasure map in the vast realm of online business. Step 1. Know your niche. Imagine you're entering a crowded room. To stand out, you need to know where you fit in. The same goes for affiliate marketing. Find your niche, the specific area that aligns with your interests and has an audience eager for what you have to share. It's like picking the right conversation at a party, making your voice heard in the crowd. Step 2. Build a stellar platform. Now that you know your niche, it's time to create your stage. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media platform, your audience needs a place to find you. This is your chance to shine and showcase your expertise. Picture it like setting up the perfect stage for a rock concert. You want everything to be just right to captivate your audience. Step 3. Master the art of promotion. Okay, you found your niche. Set up your stage, now it's showtime. Promote those affiliate products like a rock star. This isn't about being salesy, it's about being genuine. Share your experiences, create engaging content, and let your personality shine through. It's like recommending your favorite restaurant to a friend, except you're getting a little kickback each time they dine there. But wait, there's more. Curate captivating pins. Create visually stunning pins using high-quality images, infographics, or videos. This grabs attention and makes people pause as they scroll through their feed. Tailor pins to your niche. For example, fashion pins should showcase stylish outfits and accessories. Food pins should feature delicious recipes and mouth-watering photography. Feature products prominently in lifestyle pins. If you're promoting a cute kitchen appliance, shoot it in a homey cooking scene. Use tools like Canva to design polished, branded pins. Add your logo, color scheme, and graphics. Optimize descriptions. Include targeted keywords people are searching for. Research what terminology your audience uses. Craft compelling, benefit-focused copy. Don't just describe, explain why they need to click your pin. Use concise sentences and bullet points for skimmable scanning. Add links back to your website so people can learn more. Use affiliate links to earn commissions. Engage with your audience. Build relationships by regularly liking, commenting on, and repinning others' content. Respond to all comments and questions on your pins. This shows you're paying attention. Collaborate with influencers in your space. Work together on content and cross-promote. Join Pinterest group boards related to your niche. Share your pins and gain new followers. Use analytics to see which types of pins perform best. Double down on what resonates. The key is providing value on Pinterest through inspiring content. Participate actively, build community, and strategically promote affiliate links. This multi-pronged approach turns Pinterest into a powerful income stream. Crafting compelling call to actions. Alright, let's dive into the art of crafting compelling call to actions, CTAs, because let's face it, getting people to click that button is a bit of a science and a sprinkle of magic. Get ready to take notes from some captivating examples that can turn casual browsers into enthusiastic converters. Build urgency and exclusivity. Limited time offers, flash sales, and VIP access build excitement and demand. But use them judiciously, not manipulatively. Phrases like 24 hours only and first 100 customers get 50% off. Create urgency, just don't overdo it. Offer real exclusive value, not false scarcity. Clear, action-driven language. Strong command verbs like sign up, buy now, register clearly tell people what to do. Avoid vague terms like submit or proceed. Specify the action like create your account or download the app. Be crystal clear in your ask. Emphasize benefits and value. Focus on how you solve problems and deliver value. Get your first delivery free or join our global community. Address pain points and highlight advantages. Don't just describe, convey the upside. Fun, interactive experiences. Quizzes, contests, assessments involve users upfront. Virtual try-ons and demos allow touch and feel before buying. Surprise and delight with unexpected interactions. Just ensure a clear path to conversion. Social proof builds trust. Display credible metrics like 1.5 million users. Quote recognizable customers. Link to reputable press mentions. Don't exaggerate claims that can't be backed up. Authentic social proof is very convincing. Match brand tone. Your CTAs should align with your brand voice. Playful startups can be casual, established corporations more formal. Just stay consistent. Test and optimize. Try different CTA approaches and monitor performance. Experiment with wording, placement, colors, and design. Let data guide your optimization. Refine based on real user response. Combine art and science for maximum impact. Balance emotion with logic, scarcity with generosity. Guide your audience seamlessly into conversion with persuasive CTAs that deliver instant delight. Remember, the key is to understand your audience and tailor your CTAs to resonate with them. So take a cue from these examples, experiment, and watch those conversions soar. Happy crafting! And there you have it, my entrepreneurial comrades. We've navigated the intricate landscape of the affiliate marketing blueprint together. If you've gleaned some valuable insights from our exploration, don't be shy. Show some love by hitting that thumbs up button. It's not just a click, it's a vote for more content that fuels your entrepreneurial spirit. But don't stop there. Sharing is caring, especially in the world of aspiring entrepreneurs. Share this video with your fellow dream chasers. Let's build a community of empowered individuals striving for financial freedom. As we wrap up this journey, I want you to carry this message with you. Your passive income journey begins right now. The blueprint is laid out before you, the tools are in your hands. It's time to take the leap, implement what you've learned, and watch your financial dreams materialize. Remember, success favors the bold. So, fellow entrepreneurs, go out there, make it happen, and let your passive income journey be nothing short of extraordinary. Until next time, stay inspired, stay driven, and may your path to success be as rewarding as the destination itself.